The Skytech Chronos Gaming PC desktop is built for gamers who demand speed, stability, and stunning visuals. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this gaming PC in the description below at the latest price. Whether you're diving into competitive esports or exploring expansive open worlds, this machine has the hardware to keep you ahead of the game. At the heart of this desktop is the AMD Ryzen 7 5700 processor, running at 3.7 GHz with turbo boost up to 4.6 GHz. This 8-core CPU offers incredible multitasking power, fast responsiveness, and solid efficiency across demanding workloads, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and even content creation. Paired with the powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5068GB graphics card, you get fluid frame rates and next-gen ray tracing capabilities that bring your favorite AAA titles to life in full 1080p resolution and ultra settings. Storage and memory are equally impressive. The 1TB NVMe SSD delivers blazing fast load times, up to 30x faster than traditional hard drives, so your system boots in seconds and games load nearly instantly. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM at 3200 MHz, multitasking is seamless, and memory-intensive games or creative software run without a hitch. Plus, the system includes 4 memory slots, giving you room to expand if needed. Cooling is no afterthought either. The Skytech Chronos comes with a high-performance air cooler and ARGB fans housed in a sleek mesh front case that not only looks stunning but keeps internal temperatures down, even during intense gaming marathons. The included 650W Gold PSU ensures stable power delivery and energy efficiency, which is crucial for maintaining consistent performance under load. Connectivity is broad and reliable. You get built-in Wi-Fi, 802.11 and 2.11 AC, a range of USB ports including 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1, and video output via HDMI and DisplayPort, with options varying by GPU brand. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working, it's got everything you need right out of the box, including a free gaming keyboard and mouse set, saving you extra setup cost and effort. Overall, the Skytech Chronos Gaming PC delivers outstanding value for gamers who want modern specs, fast performance, and visual flair in a ready-to-run package. Backed by a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, this PC is assembled in the USA and built to perform reliably. From casual players to competitive enthusiasts, this is a system that will not only meet but exceed expectations in the modern gaming landscape.